So far, while it's spraying, when it lets up, that's the overpressure safety release. And so that might, be a bit sticky. So when it's letting go, it's lowering the pressure, but then it comes right back. And it got better as I used it. That's a part we can replace if it's needed. But it cleaned... There it is. It cleaned overspray from me painting things on my sidewalk. And that was baked on pretty good. So, and it blasted paint off that back quarter panel. Focus. Which was green, like up there. So far that looks good. I still have to check the oil in there. Let's do that. Problem we had initially was the water seals in this section of there's 3 seals. Those 3 seals were old and hard as a rock. We replaced those. The oil seals seemed okay. We had water leaking directly from the pump through the weep holes all the way around. The new seals fixed that. I'm going to check the oil seals. The oil in the pump was milky. I think John changed it once. It doesn't look milky before I did all that. Or it looks slightly milky, but it might have been water contamination from before. So I'm going to remove that and check. Okay, it's under pressure a little bit. So water is still somehow getting past the water seal into the oil seal, but without somehow it's getting past that without weeping out the weep holes that are supposed to keep those separate. So I do have to pull the pump apart, recheck the seals. I've got some replacement seals. I'll get those swapped out just in case I damaged the seals when installing them. But I would expect it to leak out the weep holes and not there.